Hello everyone, welcome to WebTech Tutorials. Today's tutorial is about how to log into Starmaker with Facebook. Before moving on, if you have not subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button to WebTech Tutorials for our helpful web tutorials. So today's video is about how to log into Starmaker with Facebook. So if you want to use Starmaker to sing a song and record yourself singing a song, you can definitely enjoy using this app. You can download Starmaker from Play Store freely and install it. After that, tap open the application and you can go down at the bottom right corner to the Me button where you will get the option to log in from Facebook and Google. There are more ways as well, but we will show you how to log in from Facebook. Tap on the Facebook. Now here Starmaker is going to log in with Facebook, so it will ask you to continue as your username. So it will access to your name, profile, friend list and email address. So tap on continue as your username. Therefore your profile picture and username has been accessed from your Facebook profile. Now you can tap on save button to save your information and continue to use the Starmaker here. Now tap on the next button. Therefore your profile is created here in Starmaker, and now you can start choosing a song and singing by yourself and record yourself singing. You can also browse your nearby friends and relatives who have made their song recording over here in Starmaker. I hope this video was helpful to you guys in learning how to log in Starmaker with Facebook. Thank you for watching our video till the end. Do like and subscribe to our channel. Also hit the bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. If you have any comments, you can mention them in the comment section.